Presentation is very beautiful. Let's see these notes. First is index. Index looks so colorful. Headings and subheadings are colorful. We don't need highlighter anymore. We'll remember headings, subheadings, pics while using these notes. It's very helpful because this color coding is very well. That is given right hand side of every page. Provide mind space. When I reading a particular topic, add any new point that. For example, I solved MCQs. Whenever I solved MCQs, some of things which is out of my notes, something which is quite important, so I used to make this high yield question that PrepLadder given in the Q bank. Mind maps and flowcharts form, it's given to the note. Like for me, what I used to do when I have my notes, I used to make my flowchart on my own notes. Now we don't worry about because timestamps according to the video lecture. It's very helpful because if I have a confusion in chapter of one topic, so I receiving only that point from stamps through video lecture, so it will save our time and I don't have go through entire video lecture again. And there is so many images, you don't have a go to buy or any book and any other sources. There are so many images already in the PrepLadder notes. They have written motivational quotes on all of these notes. Let's see what they written over here. So it is, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, by Walt Disney. One thing which I really don't like, where is a 4 page are missing in the anesthesia note and some page are upside down, which I really don't like, but that's okay. But I love these notes because it will be easier to read and understand.